Takis Shelter, the cat compound. There is a cat in the olive tree. What are you doing up there?
Nice and cool up there.
Looks like he's sleeping.
Yeah.
Are you sleeping? Hello. Hello. So the cats stay up in the trees.
Because there it was always with the people.
Nice.
Oh, what a nice colors,
Aren't
eh?
you
Look at that.
beauty?
And of course,
Look up there.
Hey, look up, look up! Oh my gosh.
cat tree.
The cat tree. Hello.
This
Hello.
also it cost about 50,000 euros. All
Who are
this.
Oh, I can
you?
imagine,
Hi,
But you know
hello.
what? The people are setting money.
Yeah.
We have a lot of donations. So
It's
we
good.
have to
You need
show
it.
the people where's going the money.
Yes.
We are not like other setters.
No, you
We're
aren't.
taking money and we keep it like this.
Hello.
Same, position.
Hello, gorgeous. Blue eyes.
The beauty of modern, the best.
Oh my goodness, this tree is
We
amazing.
fix this, the
Hi, everybody.
the shooter. And here it's open space so they can start when you play here.
Oh, aren't you beautiful?
We had Siamese cat. He lived 20 years. Zorba, named Zorba. And he drank wine. He drank wine every day. He watched me drink wine. So then I took him the little finger.
Always.
And he just had a
I
little
have two
sip.
cats also. Every time I drink right or something. When I don't see her, she go.
Oh, beauty.
Yeah.
She drink.
Well, he lasted
time.
20 years.
She tastes my water, my Coca-Cola.
They built this beautiful shelter for the cats with the donated money. You can see that this is quite high. I would say 8 or 9 feet. They can climb this, but then they get to this top part, which is very slippery, so they can't get up that. So the money that they use, he said, this shelter alone costs 50,000 euro. Okay. And they can't get
I
out.
know some names. I don't know the one.
I have a visitor. Hello. Oh, you're so big and fat and healthy. Hi. Hello, King.
And this is the house inside.
Dog has jumped all over
now
him.
with the storm, the last 2 days we're closing the door, the windows.
Yes.
They have only the
It's a
small
storm.
toilets.
Hi, everybody.
We leave this to be more easy to clean.
Hi.
Here is storage, food.
Look at the beds. Look at all the donated beds. Oh, so spoiled. Yeah. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Hello. Oh, you're big. You're big and healthy. Who's this over here? Hello.
I think it took 1 month almost.
Hello.
Now we need more stuff. Bring toilets, houses. For sure we'll fix
This is a
something.
cute little design. Love this. They can go in here and lay. They got blankets.
Yeah, they have some big trucks, they coming up. They
A little door to go out and in.
Wow, que techniques to do it too. You know?
Because for people every day here,
Yeah.
only with the wind, they couldn't walk.
Yeah.
Danny,
Do they have names too?
they have names.
And they get along okay? They get along okay?
Hello.
Yeah, that's right.
Hi, gorgeous. Oh, so pretty.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that.